video back. Guess what I have in here? It's nail polish. Well, let me show you what's inside. So today I went to Daiso and Aberdeen to find nail polish. So I got this pretty purple color, this peach color, another orangey peach color, a pink color, pretty pink, a sparkle silver color, and another pink, wonderful pink color, silver pink, it's metallic, this beautiful purple, this wonderful white color, I like it, and this silver white color, and I also got this with it. Put all my nail polishes in. So comment below and please like and subscribe to all my videos. Bye bye.